So yun guys, bali pumasyal pala dito si Sir. Taga Sharjah si Sir at pumasyal siya dito sa GFH Street Restaurant dito sa Ajman. Bali umorder si Sir ng tapsilog guys. So hingi natin yung feedback ng lasa ng tapsilog na in-order ni Sir guys. So samahan nyo kami. Hi Sir, good afternoon. Thank you for coming to GFH Street Restaurant. Sir, ano pong name nila Sir?
Ako po si Patrick from Sharjah. So nakita ko kasi sa social media. Tinay ko gusto subukan yung tapsilog. Napakasarap, malambot. Nag-request ako ng itlog na ibigay yung gusto ko mag-request. So, panalo, lasang Pilipinas yung...
Quality goods po ba, Sir?
Sarap.
Okay. Thank you so much po, Sir, for your support to your GFH Street Restaurant. Thank you so much, Sir. Have a nice day.
Okay.
So ayun guys, once again, another happy and satisfied customer of your GFH Street Restaurant here in Ajman. For those who want to try the real happiness and satisfaction, please do order to your GFH Street Restaurant. So once again guys, this is John of your GFH Street Restaurant telling to all of you that hard works really pays off guys, inshallah. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out.